We're on Don Outdoor Adventures in the kitchen. Just got through beating up some deer steaks here. Getting ready to put them in the skillet here. Got Mr. Sizzling going. Oh yeah, this is tenderloin that I beat up and gonna make some pepper steaks. You can smell what I'm cooking. We're gonna throw some onions on there once it gets done. A little more. Instead of going out, I said I'm gonna cook me a deer steak, something you can't buy in a restaurant. So there it is. It's cooking up nice. Like I said, I'm gonna come back in with some bell pepper and some onions, and we're gonna put it on there and make it do what it do. Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice. You see, I made little slits in there to break up the fibers of the steak. Then I pounded it out, threw my special seasoning on there, and it's gonna be on and popping. All right, we'll come back with part 2 in a minute. We'll see you in a little bit.